Hotool Electric Wine Opener. This rechargeable electric corkscrew makes opening wine bottles quick and effortless. With just the press of a button, the cork is removed in seconds without twisting or pulling by hand. The opener features a built-in rechargeable battery and convenient USB-C charging, so it's always ready when you need it. It also comes with a foil cutter, wine aerator, and wine stopper, making it a complete wine accessory set. Its sleek and modern design looks great in any kitchen or home bar. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening, this wine opener makes every bottle easier to enjoy.
360-degree rolling appliance slider.
Meet the 360-degree rolling appliance slider. This smart kitchen accessory makes it easy to move heavy appliances without lifting them. Whether it's a coffee maker, blender, toaster, or mixer, simply place it on the slider and move it smoothly across your countertop. The 360-degree rotating design gives you easy access from any angle, even in tight kitchen spaces. It also helps protect your countertops from scratches while keeping your appliances organized and within reach. Strong, practical, and easy to use, this appliance slider is a simple upgrade that can make everyday kitchen tasks more convenient. Electric Vegetable Chopper. Meet the electric vegetable chopper. This compact kitchen tool helps you chop ingredients quickly and effortlessly. Its powerful stainless steel blades can handle garlic, onions, peppers, herbs, and more in just seconds. The USB rechargeable design makes it convenient to use without messy cords. With simple one-touch operation, meal preparation becomes faster and easier. Compact, portable, and easy to clean, this mini chopper is a practical addition to any kitchen. Amazon Basics Electric Glass Kettle. This stylish electric kettle is designed to boil water quickly and efficiently for tea, coffee, and other hot drinks. With a large 1.7-liter capacity, it's perfect for both individual use and serving family or guests. The powerful heating system helps bring water to a boil in just minutes, saving time during busy mornings. Built-in auto shut-off and boil-dry protection provide added safety and convenience. The BPA-free glass carafe and water level indicator make it easy to monitor every use. A simple, reliable, and practical appliance for any kitchen. Zulay Kitchen Milk Frother. This handheld milk frother makes it easy to create rich and creamy foam in just seconds. Whether you're preparing lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, hot chocolate, or specialty coffee drinks, this powerful frother delivers smooth and consistent results every time. The compact and lightweight design makes it comfortable to use, while the included stand keeps it neatly stored on your countertop. Powered by a high-speed motor, it quickly whisks milk and other beverages with the push of a button. Easy to clean and simple to operate, this milk frother is a great tool for anyone who enjoys cafe-style drinks at home. Those were 5 amazing kitchen gadgets under $100 that can make everyday tasks easier and more convenient. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. You can find all product links in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon finds and kitchen gadget reviews.